What's up, YouTube? It's 93 till now, back at it again with another video, and I'm here to show you how to build your clientele using social media. Tap in.
A couple of sons, a couple of guns, a couple of that bust up the party and fuck up the fun.
Alright, so I'm gonna walk you through what I'm doing. So I go on the notes section. I have a copy and paste introduction to who I am, alright? Hey, my name is Malachi. I'm a barber from Moreno Valley, California. If you ever need a haircut, $10 off on your next cut. Thank you. And then I'm gonna go and look up any universities within my area, specifically people on the basketball team. So as you can see, I got CBU men's basketball team and UCR men's basketball team. Look for a basketball player there, and I happen to find Trey Armstrong, okay? I'll go on the messages, DM him, paste that, and then send it, okay? And as you can see, step 2, we're gonna look up people in your area. So I'm from Moreno Valley, California. I'm gonna look up places in Moreno Valley, California. Anybody who has geotagged their pictures within the area, okay? So as you can see, I click on that, I look up any places, I see another athlete, and then I paste another comment under his photo, all right? Now, the reason why I do this is because, one, why I target athletes is that they're the celebrities in the area. They are the hometown heroes. And these guys just happen to be very well connected to the community. So if I'm able to cut any of these guys' hair, take a picture, post it, tag them in the post, and then they're able to repost it onto theirs, imagine all the people who they are able to connect with. For example, Trey Armstrong, 3,171 followers. If he is able to repost my work just got displayed by 3,171 people too. I did this in Utah, and it made a significant change to when I got into barber school and by the time I finished barber school. By the time I finished, not only was I able to have a full clientele, but I was able to charge what I wanted to charge. Also, the geotagging, people in your area, hit up 10 people a day, all from your chair, sitting down. That's powerful. Now, mind you, this will work. It will work, but you have to be active on social media. So you gotta be posting once a day. You gotta be posting on your story at least to know that you're active, because if they go on your profile and you have pictures from 2018 and you haven't updated it, terrible. If they go on your Instagram profile and they see haircuts that is not what they're used to. For example, say if you only cut like straight hair clients and then you contact in all these athletes, you contact a black athlete, they gonna look on your profile and be like, well, he doesn't cut that type of hair, so I don't trust him, you know? On top of that, quality of how the Instagram content look. If your pictures are trash and your haircuts are trash, it's just not gonna work. So I hope this works out for you. Actually, I know it will work out for you. But if you have anything to say about it, comment down below. If you like the video, hit me with a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. But until then, peace.
He needs some milk.